How do you feel about online learning after you go through lessons with Math Coffee?
I think it's more convenient because like online learning you can just access it at home, whereas like compared to like in-person like learning you have to go to the tuition center, so it takes up more time.
So how did Math Coffee help you improve your studies or your math?
I think I wouldn't say that it drastically improved my grades, but I feel like it allowed me to like understand the concept better. So for example, during class time, right, because my teacher will go through the topics quite fast, so I wouldn't understand. But then after Math Coffee covers these topics, then I understand these topics better, so I have like a better understanding of the topics. Yeah.
What do you like most about Math Coffee or Teacher Kenji?
I think like what I said before, Math Coffee is very convenient because it's an online tuition, so it uses Zoom. So that way I can just access at home. For example, after a long day at school, when I'm really tired, I can just go home and have tuition there instead of going to like a tuition center where travel time could be like 30 minutes or 30 minutes fun and back. And then after school I'll be so tired, so I wouldn't have motivation.
Is this your only online tuition?
Yeah, it's my only online tuition.
So how do you compare because you have other physical tuition as well versus the online tuition by Math Coffee? Do you have any like initial concerns or initial skepticism about online tuition?
So some initial concerns is that like because it's at home, it's online. So I was wondering like, will it be effective for me? Because I'm very used to in-person tuition where teacher could just like check in on me immediately and like help me with my work. So because of that, when I first started, I was a bit concerned because like, I was wondering how can like online tuition work? How can a teacher check on me? But then Math Coffee is like, I'm required to send pictures of my work every now and then. So teacher can like check on me quite frequently, check on my progress. Then if I have any questions, I can just check either the video recordings or I get sent into like a one-to-one breakout room in the Zoom for like clarification.
So what do you like about Teacher Kenji?
I think she's quite it's very I think one thing I like about Teacher Kenji is that she's quite flexible with like the work and she's quite reasonable. So she gives like me this amount of homework that I'm meant to do by the next lesson, which is I guess the amount of work is quite very reasonable. But if I ever find it like too much work or like I'm not able to complete it in time, I can just let her know. Then she'll give me like either an extension or cut down a bit so I can complete my homework.
So people say that Teacher Kenji is very fierce, as if like torturing the kids. What do you say about this statement?
Honestly, I think she's only fierce when you mess up. So just don't mess up. As in like, make sure you complete your homework. And just don't be stupid. Yeah, just make sure you do your work, do what you're supposed to, and you'll be fine.
Okay. So for yours, how much have you so-called improved? For your situation, I think mostly I feel that it's more on the learning attitude lah. What do you think is your main transformation or improvement after you join Math Coffee?
I think after I joined Math Coffee, there's been a change in like my mindset towards work. So back then, I would think of work as like a hassle or like something like a chore. I just need to complete it and I'm done. But after like Math Coffee, cause all the homework and stuff, I realized that there's like more to it than just like completing it. But I have to really understand the concept, understand what I'm doing, rather than just like rushing to complete the homework. So I must like take my time to really understand the concept and do my homework properly. So yeah, I think this applies to not just like math, but like every subject. Cause like, even though Math Coffee is just like A-math, but this mindset really helped me with all my homeworks for like other subjects.